Hi there. Welcome to Viingx, the new way to think content. With our Marketing Content Hub, you can manage and transform content faster and easier than ever before. Today, I'll show you a powerful new feature, the integration of Viingx into Canva. It gives you direct access to all your high-quality images, videos, and documents right inside Canva. No more searching, no more downloading, no more version chaos. A Content Hub should give creatives instant access to the latest approved assets directly where they work, and that's exactly what this integration delivers. First, let's look at the current media entities available in our Viingx demo system. We have different filters that we can use to reduce the number of results shown. For example, the category or the usage rights, or even the dominant colors. Viingx lets us find exactly what we need when we need it. Now let's go across to Canva. If we go to the apps, you can see that there is now an official app available solely for interacting with Viingx. We have already installed the app for the purposes of this presentation, but it will be available on the left-hand navigation once we start working. Once installed, the Viingx app appears right inside your Canva workspace. The first time we access this, we have to enter our credentials to ensure a secure connection to Viingx. But once this has been done, we will have access for the duration of our Canva session. Our brief is to create a marketing presentation for one of our products, and the required images are stored in Viingx. I can now browse through all the media entities and filter the results using the same filter options as we saw previously to reduce the number of results shown and make choosing an image a little easier. We can now place the images in the relevant spaces and apply any available Canva functionality: background removal, resizing, filters, and so on. And the best part, we never needed to leave Canva or download a single file. When the marketing presentation is complete, we can save it back to Viingx with a single click. We are prompted to add a name, categories, and tags. These are coming directly from Viingx and ensure a seamless and consistent method of categorizing our content. We will then go ahead and save this presentation as a PDF directly into our Viingx Content Hub, where teams without a Canva account can now access it instantly. Designers stay in Canva, marketing teams stay in Viingx. Everyone works with the same up-to-date content. Colleagues who don't work with Canva can now open, distribute, or reuse the file directly from the Viingx Content Hub, where it is fully tagged, searchable, and available to the users who are allowed to access it. Many tools offer integrations, but they're often complex or require developers. Viingx keeps it simple. Without true integration, teams end up downloading files, saving outdated versions, and losing track of what's final. With Viingx plus Canva, you benefit from always up-to-date approved assets, faster workflows without downloads, consistent brand quality across teams. And because everything is saved back into Viingx, everyone can access and reuse the final assets, even without a Canva account. Thank you for watching. Want to see more? Visit us at viingx.com and explore how Viingx helps you manage content your way.